Unlock the power of automation by seamlessly connecting Lovable AI with N8n, your ultimate workflow orchestrator. First, let's navigate to your N8n instance. We'll begin by creating a new workflow. Click the Add Node button to start building your automated process. Now, open your Lovable AI platform in a separate tab. You'll need to log in with your credentials. Keep these handy as we'll be using them shortly. Back in N8n, in the node search bar, type Lovable. This will bring up the Lovable AI integration node, which you'll want to select. With the Lovable node added, click on it to access its configuration. You'll see fields for authentication. This is where you'll input your Lovable AI API key. To find your API key, navigate to your Lovable AI account settings, usually under an API or developer section. Copy this key carefully. Paste the copied API key directly into the corresponding field in the N8n Lovable node. Ensure there are no extra spaces. Now, let's define how your workflow will be triggered in N8n. Choose a trigger node that best suits your needs. This could be a webhook triggered by an event in Lovable, or a scheduled trigger. For instance, you might set up a webhook to fire whenever Lovable AI generates a new response or when a specific user interaction occurs. Next, add another node to your workflow that will act upon the data received from Lovable. This could be an HTTP request node to send data to another service, or a data manipulation node. You can now map the data fields from Lovable AI to the input fields of your subsequent node, ensuring a smooth flow of information. Save your workflow and activate it. You've now successfully connected Lovable AI to N8n, enabling powerful automated workflows and seamless data exchange.